You and I both know that the world runs on first impressions, and to be honest, everyone wants to look their best version, have good looks, good body, and good height, so that your confidence always stays at its top. When you stand in front of the mirror, you have only one question: that how can I look better? You feel that you have to improve your looks, body, and height, but how? If you are looking for the answer to this, then you have come to the right video. This video is divided into two parts. Number 1 is looks maximizing. Number 2 is height maximizing. In this video, you will get all the proven facts, which if you follow, these proven maximizing will transform you and your body into your best and maximum version. Looksmaxxing. Looks maximizing simply means improving your appearance to the maximum level in which you enhance your facial features, style, posture, and grooming. Boost self-confidence. If you focus a little on your looks, it can be a game changer in your life. And remember, the goal of looks maximizing is to show your best version, not to fit into someone else's standard. So, there are 4 main pillars of looks maximizing. First one, face and skin. Second one, body fat percentage. Third one, grooming, and the fourth one, success. Let's understand them one by one. Number 1, face and skin. If your face is clear and glowing, you naturally look more attractive. For a good glowing clear face, first of all, you have to wash your face properly twice a day, in which you have to use a good cleanser or face wash. It is important to wash your face properly every day so that your pores are not blocked by excess oil, dirt, and sweat, and acne does not occur. Whatever you eat directly affects your skin, so it is important to eat good food. By eating fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, your skin gets the necessary nutrients, which prevents acne. Along with that, drinking enough 3 to 4 liters of water daily helps in flushing out toxins from your body and keeping your skin hydrated, which makes your overall skin glowing. By always touching your face, bacteria, oil, and dirt get transferred from your hands to your face, which blocks your pores, so avoid touching your face again and again. It is most important to get good sleep, which repairs your skin. If you do not get proper sleep, then it will increase stress, which will cause acne. So start getting proper sleep. High stress level releases a hormone called cortisol in us. This hormone causes excessive oil production, which causes acne and pimples. So control your stress, and the last thing is workout, which increases blood flow in your body, due to which your body gets more oxygen and nutrients. This makes your skin fresh, and your skin starts glowing, and exercising decreases stress hormones like cortisol. A bonus tip is to avoid going out in the afternoon sun, or if you have to go out, apply sunscreen and go out in the sun. The sun's full brightness makes your dark spots even darker. So, go out in the morning sun only. Number 2, body fat. Body fat percentage is directly related to your overall appearance and health. When your body fat percentage is low, your body looks more toned and defined, which gives you a fit and attractive look. On the other hand, when your body fat percentage is too low or increases too much, it makes your body look bloated and less defined, which lowers your self-confidence. So it is very important to have a correct level of body fat percentage. In this chart, you can see the correct body fat percentage according to your height and age. You can check your weight. If your weight is less or more, then you can download ChatGPT from Play Store and get your home workout plan and ask about your diet. And if your weight is within this list, then also start working out so that you can give a better shape to your body. Number 3, grooming. Grooming is an important pillar of looks maximizing. If you pay attention to your grooming, then you can highlight the natural features of your face. Grooming is not limited to just keeping the face clean. It polishes your overall appearance, in which the first thing comes. Believe it or not, but a good haircut can take your look from here to there. So choose your haircut according to your face shape and take regular haircuts from time to time, which will give you a neat and fresh look. Do not apply any product on your hair so much that it damages your hair. After hairstyle comes facial hairs. Always keep your eyebrows in perfect shape. Both eyebrows should not be jointed. And the hairs that come out of the nose should also be trimmed. And if you do not have beard or mustache, then do not keep it. This type of beard does not look good to me at all, so keep it clean. And next comes oral hygiene. Always brush twice a day and clean your oral places properly so that there is no bad smell from your mouth. And for a good smile, take care of your teeth. They should not look yellow. If your teeth are yellow, then you can use whitening toothpaste or whitening strips. After that, always cut your nails and keep them clean. Dirty and big nails can cause damage to your teeth. Grooming shows your personality in a negative way. And after that comes body hygiene. Bathing daily is a must. Use a good quality body wash. Exfoliate your face and body skin once a week so that your dead skin cells are removed and new cells come up. Always wear clean and fit clothes according to your body, and always iron your clothes so that the clothes always look fresh. Grooming does not only mean cleaning, but also improving your appearance and confidence. So focus on small details because they can take your looks to the next level. And the last one is success. A successful person looks naturally attractive and confident. If you give priority to your goals along with maximizing your looks and focus on them, then it makes and shows you to be a well-disciplined person. So give priority to your goals and your work, and also to others. Stop saying yes to any useless work. Just going to the gym is not enough. Gym teaches hard work and discipline, but you should implement that discipline in your studies, career, and personal growth. Being successful does not mean only money or position. It means bringing balance and growth in your life, where you take your goals seriously, along with maximizing your looks, and make every day fresh and better, and then you become a successful personality. Now, heightmaxxing. Height is something that plays a very big role in your overall personality. Good height does not depend only on genetics, but lifestyle habits and discipline are also a big factor. If you are a teenager, then this is the golden time for height growth. And if you are after teens, then also you can improve your posture and appearance by following some tips. Let's first talk about teenage. During teenage, your body is at the peak of growth. Growth plates are active till this age, which increases your bone length, but these plates get fused after 18 to 21 years. So to take your height to maximum potential naturally in teenage, follow these things. Number 1, take proper nutrition. Include calcium, vitamin D, protein, and zinc-rich foods in your diet. These nutrients are most important for bone and muscles growth. For example, milk, eggs, cheese, soya, peanuts, spinach, cabbage, and fish contain these nutrients. So, eat them. Number 2, consistent exercise and stretching. Do such exercises daily which promote height growth like hanging lat pull down or skipping and cobra stretch. Sports like basketball, swimming, and volleyball are also very helpful in stretching bones. Yoga postures like Tara Asana and Surya Namaskar also increase height. Number 3, take good sleep. Growth hormone production is highest while sleeping, so take 8 to 10 hours of sleep. Taking more stress reduces the body's growth hormone production, so control stress by using meditation and relaxation techniques. Now the second question comes, can we increase our height even after teenage? So increasing height after teenage is a very challenging process because our growth plates get fused, but it is not impossible that you can bring some difference in your height. It is just important to understand that this process will require patience and consistency. Number 1, intense physical activity. At this age, intense physical workouts like swimming, pull-ups improve your spine alignment and flexibility. And number 2 is posture correction. A poor posture makes your visible height look much less. So always keep your back straight and walk without bending. Make a daily routine of yoga and stretching exercises to decompress your spine. Posture correction improves your height visually. Number 3 is reality. Scientifically, it is very difficult to increase height naturally after teenage, but sometimes some tips work a lot. Look, height does matter, but it is not your complete identity. So focus on your strengths and improve your personality and confidence. Maximize the height that is in your control and stop overthinking the things that are not in your control. Looks and height are key factors of your personality, but they are not yours. Taking care of your face and skin is only one part of the overall value. Staying fit and groomed and focusing on your goals takes your overall appeal to the next level. In such cases, it is possible to maximize your growth during teenage, but it is more important to work on your posture and confidence after teenage. What is your current age, height, and weight? Tell me in the comments so that I can give you tips according to you. And if you liked the video, then do like and subscribe, and also tell me how you liked the video. See you in the next video. Thanks.